Good morning, Kinder families. Um, Happy Monday. I'm just going to briefly go over math for this week. It's very similar to last week. I have the chart up from last week behind me. They're still looking at different sets, counting. This week, they want them to be able to decide for a given set how many more would make the new number. So, for example, if I had 13 bananas. If I asked them to draw a set with one more, would they know how to draw 14? That 13, after 13, obviously 14 comes. So with our unit with counting and cardinality, it just deals with building on a number. So if you give your scholar a random math number, would they be able to tell you what comes next in the set? So instead of starting with one, just any random number, if you give them 20 objects to draw, would they be able to draw another set showing what comes after 20? So 21 objects. So for example, last week my example was the 14 circles right here. Your scholar may be asked in a problem, can you find what number comes after 14 or draw a set of the number that comes after 14. So after 14, they may be asked to draw 15 circles, since 14 was my number here. Here, my number was 6. So can you draw another set of 6? That's one more than 6. So then they would have to draw another set of 7 for, for their number. So, for example, really quickly. For this one, it's easier to show. Last week we had 6 sticks, but if I was asked to draw one more, a set with one more, then your scholar would have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's 7. So here's my set of 6, here's my set of 7. So they're just going to draw one more this week. Also, can you fill in the missing number? So you may see something like it might be 14, 15, blank, 17. What's the missing number? So could they identify that 16 is missing here and be able to write 16 in on the line? So this week for our exit ticket, depending on your classroom, it may be due Thursday, it might be due Friday. I know for my class it's Thursday. You're going to have your scholar draw a certain set greater than 1. You're going to start off with a bigger number. So ideally between 10 and 20, you'll have them write the set. If the number is 12, for example, you have them draw 12 smiley faces and then draw another set right underneath that with one more. So they should know to draw 13 smiley faces underneath the set. And that will be due Thursday or Friday, depending on your classroom. I know for my classroom, it's due Thursday. And that will be the math exit ticket. Basically, we're just building on what we did last week with counting and cardinality. Everyone have a great day. Have a great week. And remember to take a picture of the exit ticket and send it to your teacher.